guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Icon box. So if you'd like to see what is in store for this quarter's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so the first product in the Icon box is the Thebriabeauty That Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. You guys, I have been wanting to try Thebriabeauty for a very long time, specifically this cream, and it did not disappoint. So can we just talk about the packaging first, how gorgeous it is? It looks very, very luxurious, and it's actually got some weight to it. And opening it up, the cream looks a little something like this. Now this is a thicker cream, so a little bit goes a very, very long way. And it smells so, so good. I literally just tapped my finger in it. You can't even hardly see the product on my finger, and it covered literally half of my face. So yeah, a little bit goes a very, very, very long way with this. Next in our Icon box, we have the Do It Boost. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And this is a little skincare device that works with your creams and serums to make them more effective and maximize their results. So it has a little on button back here. There is an app that goes with this. And as you can see, there are also different cycles that you can choose from, and they all do something different. This is actually pulsating at the moment, so it's going to really give you a facial with the creams and serums that you use on a daily basis. Next in the box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in the shade Caramel. You guys, the packaging on this is just so, so beautiful. And there is the product inside. As you can see, you get a ton of product. And this just blended out so effortlessly. Next in the Icon box, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose Palette. Unfortunately, when I opened this up, you guys, mine was actually busted. There are 2 shades in there that are completely just shattered. I'm gonna have to somehow salvage those. But this is a stunning palette, and I do have it on my eyes today. So, so gorgeous. And there are also 2 blush shades in here as well. I do want to swatch some of these for you, however. So there are some of the shades from the Primrose palette. This matte shade right here is so, so pretty. It has gold sparkles in it. Look at that, how stunning. And yeah, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous little palette. And to apply this eye look, we have our next product that came in the Icon box, which is this little trio brush set by Alamar Cosmetics. And on this little trio of brushes, it says what they are used for. So we have a blender, a packer, and a liner. I really, really like these kinds of brushes to get right there on that waterline area. Really helps to smoke everything out. Next, we have the MAC Cosmetics Magic Extension Mascara. On the back here, it says it's enriched with a color amplifying crystal elixir powder. And here is what the wand looks like. Next in the Icon box, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in the shade Warm Peach. This was a little bit too light for me to use by itself, so I decided to create an ombre lip using this lipstick today, and it is just so, so pretty. Last but not least in the Icon box is the Skin Ink Body Sculpt Fit Serum. This is a velvety lightweight body serum that's going to melt into the skin and help lift, tone, even skin tone, and just overall give you a brighter, healthier glow. It's got antioxidant-rich caffeine as well as niacinamide, and it says that it's going to reduce the look of lines while it strengthens the skin's barrier. The Icon Box is the third and final option that Ipsy has available on their website. You get 8 full-size products. It's $58 a quarter and comes 4 times a year. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.